I would like to ask now about rice because Lanao del Norte is one of the top rice-producing provinces in northern Mindanao. Has there been an impact analysis on the distribution of farm implements from the Rice Tariffication Act? I hope in the impact analysis, Mr. Chair, they will find that what they've done for the farmers is not enough. Like what was said earlier, our farmers are asking for additional assistance when it comes to land preparation for the farm gate price. So yung mga tractors, kulang pa yan. Yung mga mud boats, kulang pa yan. But the last year when I talked to PhilMec, supposedly they have met their targets already. But if you go to the field, you'll find
we have 30 seconds.
You'll find a lot of farmers unfulfilled. And I hope the Department of Agriculture can look into this and close the gaps.